YouTube channel. Now, as you can see by the title of this video, yes, I am taking you through a full back workout. I know this is something that you guys are not really used to see of me, but yeah, I do train my upper body and I do train my back as well. I know most of my videos are a little bit more on lower body focus, but I guess that's also why you guys love following me, right? But yeah, so today is a full upper body workout and we are going to do 5 exercises in total today and repeat each one for 4 sets, okay? Now, excuse me guys, I'm always super nervous when I need to record YouTube videos, so David behind the camera, my boyfriend, knows everything about this, so you need to calm down a little bit, okay? Alright, woo! Let's go. Okay, so 5 exercises and we will repeat each one for 4 sets. But I'm only going to show you guys 1 full set of each exercise just because I want to keep this video nice and short, you know. But of course, I will give you guys a little explanation about each exercise on what you should pay attention to, you know, form-wise. So yeah, I think that's basically it. Also, for the girls that are watching, I posted this outfit I am wearing right now, I think a couple of weeks ago on my stories, and woo! Everyone was like, oh my god, what is this set called? What is the brand? And I will tell you that all the outfits I wear are by TLF Apparel, and you can find the link and the discount code in my bio if you're interested. This is, by the way, the diamond collection. As you can see, a little bit shiny material. I absolutely love it. But yeah, so that's it. I would say let's get started, but first, pre-workout. I will do the dry squat today because it's just a little bit more badass, you know. There are always a lot of people that are like, oh my god, this is so unhealthy or whatever. I think this is not like really unhealthy, but it's just like a super easy way to take your pre-workout. Do I do it every day? No, but it's fun. So, ugh. That little scoop, you know, it's always like on the bottom of the tub. By the way, this is lychee daiquiri. It's one of their newest flavors they have recently launched. It's a nice one, but it's not my favorite one, to be completely honest. But it's nice if you love lychee. Yeah. I might need to work a little bit better on my dry scooping technique. Alright, I guess that's it. Let's go. For the first exercise, we will start off with a wide grip bent over row, but also with a pronated grip. So, if you don't know about the grip names, I will quickly explain. So we have the neutral, we have the pronated, and we have the supinated. Okay, so the pronated grip is actually with the face palms facing down, and we will go for a wide grip because the wide grip will target more the center of the upper back. The reason why I'm choosing for a pronated grip for this exercise is because this will target better or isolate better the back muscles, whereas a supinated grip, so with the face palms facing upwards, so if you do it like this, you will actually be able to lift heavier on the exercise, but at the same time it will also engage a little bit more of the biceps. So just so you know, first exercise, let's go. So what I want you to do is taking a wide grip, go stand in a shoulder width position with your feet, and another tip I can give you is to not turn your thumbs around the bar like this, but put it like up. Because otherwise I feel personally that if I do it around the bar, that there goes too much tension on my forearms. So to prevent this, just place the thumb on top. Okay? So then another thing is push your glutes back. chest to the front, so we have a nice and straight back. Okay. Then I want you to have a slight bend in the knees. Okay. Stretch the back muscles and then pull the barbell to your hips like this. Make sure to do the exercise slowly and really feel the back muscles working. Not swing the weights around. So like this. I do the exercise very slowly, and that's basically something that you should do with every exercise you do, because neck muscle connection is key. There is no benefit in swinging the weights around, and as this is the first exercise, I'm also doing it with very light weights as well, because this is also the warming up exercise. So this is just 5 kilos each side, and then the barbell is 15. Okay. So start with light weights and then gradually build up the weights through the rest of the exercises. Alright, so that was the first one. Let's move on to the second exercise. Okay, moving on to the second exercise, we are basically doing like a very similar variation of the barbell row, but instead of the pronated grip, we are going for the supinated grip. Okay, so this will allow us to go a little bit heavier, and so what you basically should do, go stand again in a shoulder width position, place your hands here, again shoulder width, like this, again not with the thumb around, but like this, and then basically like just the same focus as with the other variations. So a slight bend in the knees, pushing the glutes backwards, chest to the front, stretch the back muscles, and then build the barbell to your hips. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds and really feel the back muscles working. Lat pull down variation. Why do I say variation? Because basically we don't really have like a lat pull down machine in our home gym, but we do have the cables, and with cables you can do a lot of variations. So I'm going to show you how you can do a lat pull down with a cable. First of all, I'm going to pick a little bit heavier weights. So we are taking the cables again with a pronated grip, because that's also how you would do it in the gym with a regular lat pull down. You can sit quite close to the machine actually, so don't really overextend your back, like really engage the core. Alright, like this, and then pull. Hold for 1 second, slowly release the weight. Go back. Okay. When you come up, I don't want you to fully like extend the arms, because then you will lose tension in the back. So always make sure that the back muscles are under tension. So this is a great position to again do another rep. really great exercise. Repeat 4 sets, 10 to 12 reps with a heavy weight, and gradually try to build up the weights during this exercise as well. We have arrived at the 4th exercise, and we will be doing a unilateral dumbbell row. Now, the reason why I go for a unilateral exercise is because if you do like exercises which contains like both arms at the same time, so with both legs at the same time, sometimes we tend to pull a little bit with one arm or one leg better than the other one, which could potentially lead to imbalances in your muscle. So that's why it's very important to incorporate always at least one unilateral movement into your routine. So for today's workout, I am incorporating the unilateral dumbbell row. So what you should do is have an incline bench, or you could also use a flat bench as well. I prefer the incline bench. Then, very important is to push the glutes backwards, just to the front. And then you can actually go quite heavy on this exercise, but yeah, it's very important that you don't swing the weights around. But I guess that's just like a normal thing you should focus on. Alright, so bring it a little bit to the front and make sure that the left part of the back is completely stretched, and then pull again until hip height. Slowly release, back. Hold it for 1 to 2 seconds. Slowly release, pull it back. Okay? So please try to avoid this, alright? So I really want to focus on the upper part of the back. And that's perfect for this exercise. As I said, try to go quite heavy on this one, but with a perfect execution. And sit between a rep range of 8 to 10 reps each side, alright? So we are ending this routine with a face pull. Now, as the name can tell, you're basically performing the exercise like this. So you basically put it to your face. Not in your face, but just, just a tiny bit in front of your nose, okay? A few key points on which you should pay attention to is to go first, stand a little bit backwards, because if you stand too close, you see there's no tension. So take a step backwards, shoulder width position, slight bend through your knees. Make sure to put your glutes a little bit backwards, just at the front, so you have a nice and straight back. Okay, and then pull the elbows to the outside, and make sure that this little thing here, you bring it close to your nose, okay? Like this. Hold for 1 second, or 2, or 3, and then release. Pull back. Now, as you can see, the main muscles being targeted in this exercise are the rear delt. So this is basically also known as the backside of the shoulders. So you could say, oh, but this is a shoulder exercise. Yes, but it also targets like the upper part of the back, as you can see. So it's, again, a great exercise to incorporate into your back workout, because, you know, all the backside muscles, they're just like, you know, one group. So yeah, that was the workout, guys. I hope you find it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe to this channel. But if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, I'm not loving you.